Do you have missing teeth because you had them extracted? Choose not to get any bridges or any other treatment option because implants are the best treatment option available for you in dentistry right now. Since almost as early as 1990, we at LV Dental Hospital have been placing implants in thousands of extremely satisfied patients of ours. Our long track record of exceptional implant dentistry makes us proud leaders in implant dentistry in Pakistan. Implants are small titanium screws placed into the jaw. The surgery is done under simple local anesthesia so that you do not even feel the slightest of pain. A very small incision made on the gum and a small hole made to place the implant into it. Once placed, the gum is covered and the area left to heal for a few months to fully integrate and fuse to the bone. On your next return, no gum is cut. In fact, the implant itself has an artificial screw which we simply open and attach the tooth into it. These implants are meant to last you a lifetime. Come to us for a free, no obligation consultation and discuss with us your various treatment options to replace your missing teeth with implants.